Hello students, welcome to our actual code demo on dereference operator or the first lecture on pointers. Before you try to take a look at this demo, I would highly recommend, in fact, please do not come to this demo before you have seen the explanation which precedes this particular demo. So for every lecture where I have explained using a sample code, I have also done a demo so that your conceptual understanding is very clear. So first look at the explanation, then come and take a look at the demo code. Your understanding shall be complete. Now what I have done in this first demo code here is I have declared a short int si with the value 10 and a character ch with the value g or with the initial value g. Now if I have to print what is within si and what is within ch, I simply use %hi because si is short and %c because ch is a character. So let's first try to run and get the contents of these particular variables. So if you look at the left hand side of the screen, okay, it is showing content of si as 10 and content of ch as character g, which is so far so good. Now since si and ch are variables, they are also going to occupy memory and they are going to have certain addresses. So let's try to print the address of si and just a second. Let's try to print the address of si and ch. So what I am doing in the next three sets of printf is I am trying to print the address of si using the %p as well as the %lu. Once we run it, I'll do the explanation. Alright, so here if you tend to see, you can very clearly see the output of the code. The content of si is 10, the content of ch is g. Now when I'm using the %p specifier, alright, when I'm using the %p specifier, here you can see the %p specifier. When I'm using the %p specifier, the address of si is going to be printed in hexadecimal number. Now this hexadecimal number is not very easy for us to understand because we don't use hexadecimal in our day-to-day life except in computer science. So %p is the correct conversion specifier to print the address of any variable. So I'm using %p, then address of si. Address of si is the address of an integer variable. In order to make it a normal address, I am using this void star. Void star, what it does is it converts this integer type address into a normal address and prints it. So this is the first line where we are getting the address of si. Now what we shall do here is, now take a look at what I'm doing here. I'm printing address of si as an unsigned long. In the sense, %lu is going to print it as an unsigned long because on the online GDB compiler, the memory is really huge. So this is the address which was given to si in integers. So it is 140735814385902. So this is the address of si. What this unsigned long does is the address of si, it returns it as an address to an integer type of variable. This forcibly typecasts it into an unsigned long so that you do not get compiler warnings, nothing more than that. So this is the address of si. And next if you see, address of ch is this particular thing. The first, all digits are similar. First what the compiler has done is it's given 901 to ch. Since character occupies 1 byte, 5902 is the address of si, which happens to be a short int. Alright, so I hope you understand why we have used unsigned int, so that we can see the address as normal decimal numbers to the base 10 rather than seeing them as hexadecimals if we use %p. Alright, I'm using the unsigned long and unsigned long so as to typecast these two addresses to an unsigned long, and %lu is the conversion specifier or the format specifier for unsigned long. Now let's first go to the next line. In the next set of printfs, what I'm trying to do here is I am using the star operator on the address. So if I simply say address of si, it is going to print 5902. Address of ch, it's going to print 5901. But when I associate a star with the address, the star tells me, give me the content or what is the value at address SI. So what is the value at address SI? Value at address SI is 10. Similarly, address CH will print 5901. But since I am having the star operator, the star or the dereference operator tells me, give me the content or value at address of CH. Address of CH is 5901. What is the content or value at address of CH? It happens to be G. So my next two printfs should also print 10 and G if my explanation holds true. So here if you see now, if you see content of SI is 10, content of CH is G. This matches with our description here. So here if you see here, okay, this matches with this particular fellow here. All right. So this should really be clear now. So you're saying star gives you the value or content at that particular address, and that star is known as the dereference operator, and we will be dealing with a few more programs as we proceed.